it's the same one as before. It's almost like I said that. Five seconds per orb, doing pretty good. Ah, that would be such a good strat if I can get it.
Alright, I've got to go to the bathroom real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back.
Dude, horrible.
Why does it show you as having 92 when the leaderboard only shows 89?
I have 82. Pretty sure.
My leaderboard shows 89.
Oh.
Your number at the bottom shows 92.
Oh yeah, it does show 92. I don't know, you suck.
No, I didn't even have any. Alright.
Oh, this was awful.
Oh, I guess it's going off our best because it shows me at 80. I haven't even done this weekly yet.
Well, even then, my best is 92 then.
Well, yeah, that's why it shows 92 at the bottom of your screen.
Interesting. I hit that. Your bullcrap.
73. Decent first run, I guess.
$85.
Nice.
Yay.
Oh, okay, I didn't grab. Yes.
That was terrible. Grab it. Gosh. Reversing this very badly.
79. Oh.
God. Smashing my face again. Also, your perspective is not up.
Oh, shoot. Forgot to switch the game that's in the scene. There we go. Inputs off. I'll keep live split up.
Go. $85.
Is that a new record on this one?
I tied with my last.
Oh.
I tied with my last game, and my record's still the 89 I got on the site read.
Oh, cool. Went through that one.
Crazy that I joined BeReal over a year ago now, and I've been taking pictures every single day for a year.
Oh, have you not missed one?
I might have missed one, but other than that, I'm pretty sure I've only missed like 1 or 2 B-rolls ever.
That's pretty crazy.
If Zelda snatches Game of the Year, you're gonna be so mad? What? What is this blasphemy I'm hearing?
It's a good game. I should beat it.
We all should. The difference between first and second is 27 orbs.
That first place guy is pretty insane, though. Dang.
Yeah, I would have.
Dang, I was on the path. Let's just restart that.
Hit on the bottom circles. What other contenders are there for Game of the Year this year? I'm kind of out of the loop.
Elden Ring was last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, it won. You remember that? Deservingly won.
Yeah.
Don't think anything else should have been over that, personally, but...
Was God of War Ragnarok this year, or was that last year as well?
That was last year as well.
Dang.
That's what I mean. What happened this year?
I could see Remnant 2. What kind of indie?
That was
games?
last year.
No, Remnant 2
I'm
just
joking.
came out.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I just wanted to see what your response would be. Dude, I've tried to do that so many times, and this guy just does it and it works.
Was only able to peek at that Yuhoha, but I'm assuming that says Starfield comes out this year. And that'll rightfully be a contender since Bethesda.
DG3?
Oh, Baldur's Gate
Battlegrounds
3.
3?
Yeah, Baldur's Gate 3's having a pretty good release right now.
Maybe I should be looking at my speed values more, because I 100% would have stopped right there if I got that. Yeah, I was gonna say, there's no way he was getting past that. Wow. Huh.
Game is super polished, also characters are surprisingly superbly written. Hey, that's good.
A lot of games don't release without
Being super polished anymore, so that's
Mhm.
good to hear.
that's automatically a game of the year contender if your game works. Honestly, at
True.
this point.
Man, am I really getting 75 again? That's crazy. See, the thing is, Starfield, like, it better be good because, you know, it's Bethesda, and
That's good, yeah. Good to hear.
considering it'll be the exact same engine, will probably have the same bugs as previous Bethesda games, and has the potential of being No Man's Sky. It's got a lot to work against.
I don't know. I don't think anything in my book could be a game of the year contender if it has a ton of bugs. I don't think it could be. But who knows?
Ryuji doesn't have faith in Bethesda.
Hey, you're probably right, Ryuji.
I'm kind of the same way. I don't think they care as much about making a good game. They care about making a big game.
Sounds like a couple other stories I've heard before.
Mm-hmm. Seems to be the common theme currently. Make a big game, release it. Don't worry if it doesn't work. Announce Season Pass. Actually, Season Pass you could probably already buy for Starfield, I'd imagine. Yeah.
Shout out to that guy, honestly.
No Season Pass, but a paid DLC. Interesting.
Page 3 gaming.
That too. Yep, Bethesda games. The fans will make a better version for free. That's also a common thing. But it'll be on Game Pass, and that's worth it. I will play a free game. I'm not against it. I was probably gonna play it anyway. What does it look like?
Go.
Interesting.
Yeah, I be tapping and it just no.
It doesn't do what the top players do.
It doesn't do it. I like it's gaining me some. Maybe I need to stop. Maybe I just need to hold W. Not screw with anything else.
Game Pass isn't worth it if you don't play games. Hey, I play some games sometimes. I've still been playing Solasta. I just started a new group. Started with a new group. I just played Superliminal the other day. What else have I? Honestly, most of the Sunday streams have been off Game Pass. Currently Remnants on not Game Pass. What else? I've got a bunch of games that are on Game Pass that I installed because I'm telling myself I'll play them. Did I uninstall Metal Hellsinger? I can uninstall this. I did as much as I wanted to with that game. Started doing some of the challenges, but then one of them was weird. How about you just pay me randomly sometimes and maybe something will happen? Maybe a stream will go live? Exoprimal I played a little bit of. I would assume the single player is out, or the like the mini campaign type mission thing is out instead of it only being PvP. It was fun PvP though. I played with a group. It was pretty good. I think we lost like a single round. No, actually we lost like 2 or 3.
We went to Rocket League until I have to go.
I'm good with that.
Because I'll definitely have to go before your stream.
Mm-hmm.
Or before you switch games, I guess.